Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, this is Sir Mumtaz Ali Memon from Government Naval Rai Hiranand High School Society, Hyderabad. Well, students, today we will learn about pronoun. The word pronoun refers to the words that are used instead of a noun or noun phrase in sentence, like he, I, its, me, my, she, that, this, those, she. Well, students, the pronoun can be defined in other words like pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. For examples, he, she, it, they, you, we. Say for example, beta, if we are using Ahmad is doing work, means Ahmad is doing work. If we are replacing Ahmad in he is doing work, means Ahmad has been replaced in he, means the word Ahmad has been replaced in he and he is used instead of Ahmad, means Ahmad is noun and he is pronoun. It means the pronoun is used instead of a noun is called pronoun, right beta? Means the word which is he has been used instead of a noun which is Ahmad is called pronoun. Means Ahmad is noun and he, the replacement of Ahmad is he, is called pronoun, right beta? Now we have to follow that the word which is used instead of noun is called pronoun, right beta? Ahmad is noun and he is pronoun, right? Another example beta, for example, Salma is reading, means Salma is reading. Here we have used Salma as a noun, whereas if we are going to or replace it with she, means we have replaced Salma in she, as we have read that the word which is replaced or which is used instead of noun is called pronoun. Salma was a noun and she is pronoun, right beta? In more detail, if we are going to or if we are exploring the pronoun, we have some different types of pronouns which are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, intensive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, and reciprocal pronoun. But here, some of them I will tell you. Personal noun. Personal nouns are pronouns that are refers to a specific person or thing in a sentence and can be divided into two groups, nominative and objective. Means personal pronoun are those pronouns which are specific for used for a person or a thing in a sentence. And if they are being divided into two groups, means nominative and objective. Here are some examples of nominative personal pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. If we are using some of them in sentence, say for example, if here I am using I went to the store after work. You should not go to class if you are sick. Here I in sentence is a nominative personal pronoun and you is nominative personal pronoun. Look beta, here we are using I and you in front of, or we can say in the beginning of the sentence, I and you. In other words, we can say the nominative personal pronoun are mostly used in the beginning of the sentence. They might be I, you, he, she, it. Here is the examples of objective personal noun like Alex came out with Joe and me. Here I is used in the form of objective which is me. Me means I is replaced in objective form me. Like Aslam really likes him. Aslam really likes him. Here Aslam is liking him. Aslam likes him. Right beta? Him is the objective form of pronoun. Right? Means personal pronoun is divided in two groups. One which is used in the beginning like I and you is a personal pronoun, nominative personal pronoun. Whereas if I is converted in objective form, me, he is converted in objective form, him, means me and him, the objective form of personal pronoun. Another type of pronoun is possessive. Possessive pronoun are those pronouns that shows ownership. In other words, you can say something belongs to someone else. My, mine, your, yours, his, her, or hers. It's our, ours, their, theirs. Say for example, that book is mine means the book which is belong to me means I am the holder of this book. Means I am claiming that this book is mine. Means I own the book is mine. Right beta? Here mine is the possessive pronoun. Another example, their shoes are under the bed. Means shoes belongs to them. But possessive pronoun is there. Right beta? Means mine and their is the possessive pronoun which shows the ownership. Okay beta? Then we have another form of pronoun is reflexive. Reflexive pronoun are those pronouns that are used to show that the subject of the sentence is receiving the action of the verb. Means myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, themselves. Right, beta? Means these words myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, or themselves are the reflexive pronouns. Right, beta? Say, for example, she can handle their situation herself. Means she is handling the situation by herself. Right, beta? Means this is reflexive pronoun for she. Right, beta? She is pronoun, and when we are using herself instead of she, means there is the relation between she and herself. Means she is pronoun, but reflexive pronoun is herself. Right, beta? Here another example, we can write the paper ourselves. Means we is a pronoun. Right, beta? Personal pronoun. Right, beta? And ourself is reflexive pronoun because there is a relation between we and ourself. Right, beta? Here are some examples. Personal nominative pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. And personal objective pronoun: I means me. You is the same you. He will be converted into him. She is going to be converted in her. It, itself, it. We in us. They in them. And possessive pronoun: my, mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, our, ours, their, theirs. Means possessive, means honor words. Right, beta? Honor words. Reflexive pronoun: myself means the relation between my and myself, your and yourself, his and himself, her, herself, its, itself, our, ourself, their, themselves. Right, beta? This is all about pronouns. Right? Allah Hafiz.